Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your subtitles on Netflix. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser or the Netflix application, whichever you prefer. If you open up the web browser, simply type in netflix.com in the address bar and press enter. You will then be taken into your Netflix account. Now simply click on any movie or show that you want to watch. Now once the show starts playing, you will see the subtitles at the bottom section if it is set to show up. If it's not, then you can click on the Captions menu at the bottom section. This will then open up the Audio and Subtitles menu. From here you can simply select on the language that you want your subtitle to appear on. As soon as you select the language, your subtitle will immediately start to change at the bottom section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change subtitles on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.